Okay, so it looks like we're live. So today, well, I have a confession to make. I've been using Houdini to make my thumbnails, and I know this is a bit stupid, but it's an occasion for me to use Copernicus, which otherwise I would not use that much because I'm not doing much Houdini these times because I spend most of my days in Claude Code. Claude Code. It's very difficult to say for a French guy because in Francais we would say Claude Code and in English it's reversed. So anyways, let's move on to the thumbnail, and after that I'll explain what I'm actually doing with all of that. So I need to put my screen in single screen. Yeah. Okay. And I will bring back, give me a sec, I will bring back OBS to this desktop. Yeah, okay. So that I can kind of see what I do. All right, that's new. I have no idea why it's so pink, but we'll figure it out. So okay, so for today I have different objectives, different goals. I want to be able to, sorry, I haven't been doing videos for a very long time and I'm completely out of it. Yeah, so I drafted a little layout for today. So I want to make a dark mode template. I have this idea that the thumbnails for the long form videos should be light modes and the ones for the live should be dark mode so that viewers can easily distinguish between the two. So the first thing I wanted to do was to fetch an asset I've created in a recent project and try to make it a USD file and see if I can import that easily in this thumbnail comp. So I need to change the view again. Yeah, move to single screen. All right. So last time I had a very big problem with Karma because a Windows update in January completely broke it, and yeah, it took me 2 days to figure out that it was Windows that broke Karma, and hopefully, so I did resume Windows update yesterday, and I hope that this problem has been fixed. Anyways, it's in S2, I think. Oh no, it would be in S1. It would be in S1. So for this project, I learned a lot of new stuff about Solaris and USD. And yes, I'm trying to get this asset in USD just to refresh my memory. And I have no clue why this camera is so it's so wide angle, but it's not a big deal. So I only want the gyro. And okay, so let's What was it already? Oh, I'll move to objects. It's easier that way. Oh, gyro. Oh. Let's keep only that. Okay, nice. So if I make a USD rope and call it gyro, and I have to be careful because in the gyro material, I think I'm calling Copernicus stuff. So, oh, this is only the material linker. Okay. Okay, so if I want to grab the mats, I have to bring that here and do that, and probably reassign. Maybe not, I don't know. The question is, where are those cups living? Gyro base, gyro glass. It's calling. Yeah, I should probably bake the maps. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that first. Okay. So this is indeed this one I need to grab. And I'll make that a PNG. I don't think we need more than that. Only the current frame, please. And what's the definition here? Where is it? Okay, let's do double. Yeah. Okay. What? What do you mean you cannot find the cup? I'm confused. What do you mean you can't find it? It's right here. Okay, it's starting nicely. And now it looks like Houdini has frozen. No, it's only me. Yeah, I'm completely stupid. So this was the reason. There. Ah, still unhappy. Yeah, because when you do path like that, you should do it correctly. So, okay. Okay, it looks like it's been cooked, finally. So, where are we? One sec. Okay, it looks like it's working. The number of times I did not start the stream and then cried a lot after. So now we should have our texture map. So let's export to USD file. Gyro. Let's move that to requests. Perfect thumbnail, Houdini, Geo, and USD. All right. And I only need one frame. I wonder if I will get all the materials that are in this library or not, but I guess we will find out soon. Okay, export problem again. Okay, so this is exactly what this is exactly why we exported the map, so I don't think that's a big deal. But let's just import it to see if everything is in order. And yeah, it looks fine. Okay, so yeah, obviously we have all the materials of the previous collection, which is pretty useless, but I don't think it matters that much because it must be just a few kilo, octets, kilo, ou peut-être méga, j'en sais rien. Let's check it out. Quests. USD. Yeah, it's not even 1 mega, so. And textures. Okay, it doesn't matter at all. Let's reopen the other project. Yes, this one. Ugh. So, okay, so this cupnet, oh yes, so this cupnet is the one that is for compositing the it reopened with the dual screen layout, so we fix that quickly. Houdini, so this it's okay. Ay, Houdini, why so unresponsive? What have I done to you? Anyways, in the meantime, so I'm redoing some thumbnails before trying a new series soon, but I will be trying to figure out Rive when I don't know the first thing about it, but I've heard a lot about it, and since I've been doing a lot of vibe coding lately, I have some things where I want to use Rive to create animations for some stuff I put online, and I was thinking that maybe trying Rive live was a good idea, which we'll see it is or it isn't. But so while Houdini is doing its thing, let's just, so for the Rive series, I will use those colors that you can find on their website and use that as the color palette. So we might as well grab the colors right now. So this orange accent. Okay, and let's add the green in there. And this morning I discovered a very nice website. It's obviously Claude that pointed me towards it, and it's called. So let me remember. What? Am I still live? I don't know. Okay. Looks like there is a slight uh, delay, but it's okay. I should go single screen as default before rec. Right. I think we're still in dual screen. I don't understand why, because I just changed that. I might be having some memory issues. Maybe I'm being too greedy. No, it's not even memory. Oh, CPU, all right. Yeah, maybe I have too much stuff opened. So let's do a little cleanup session. I don't think I will be using Cloud Code during this stream, so let's close that and close anti-gravity too. And if ever we need it, we will reopen it. Okay, is that better? Maybe. Well, at least Houdini is responsive now. So let's import our USD, not layer break. File. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, maybe I should have imported it inside of the object context, since I'm doing the layout in the context, in the objects. Well, we'll see. So this is what it looks like. I have several, I have different elements in there. So this part is for the text. This part, I should name my, I thought I did that already, but I'm doing stuff in such a messy manner that, okay, so this is the text background. This, what is this? Okay, so this is the backdrop. Okay, so this is my peak. And this is the topic. All right. So today we're doing a thumbnail. So let's add the peak in there. So in order to choose my picture, I have a cup network with photos selected. And then I have a switch node hidden in there, and I can select the picture I want for the mood I want for this episode. So this one will be, so I will do two, one for today and the other for the Rive session tomorrow. So today it's like, yeah, I've been secretly doing my thumbnails in Houdini, so let's see what we've got in there. Oh, let's see dependencies, because I don't remember where I have hidden the controller for the switch. It's probably somewhere else. Picture select. Okay, so I put the selector for the switch on top of the subnetwork. That makes sense. So let's see what phase we've got. Oh, I even have a contact sheet. I like this one for today, so, and for tomorrow, this one. Okay, so let's use number one. No, number two. Yeah. Let's use number two. Okay. So what should the thumbnail be for this one? Because the title is, what is the title already? The title is I've been making my thumbnails in Houdini this whole time, so okay, maybe we use something like not Photoshop and Copernicus. Yeah, well, let's do that. So probably no texts on this one, or maybe just Houdini thumbnails. Yeah, Houdini thumbnails. So that means, so let's save this project as dark mode. Let's save this as dark mode. Yes, yes. I'm not sure about the peak, but okay. So let's say it's 1, and let's move back to the pictures. The emoji, if I had this emoji face, is the one with the little sweaty drop on the. Maybe this one is more fun. I think I've used it a lot, but maybe someday I will have to take pictures again. Yeah, yeah, it's better. It's better. All right. So let's move ourselves to the right of the frame, because I learned that it's best to have yourself at the right of the frame because of the reading order, and it makes sense. So to the right, we have text. It's Houdini thumbnails. Okay. So in dark mode, I don't think we need the topic that we do need. So let's move that here. And move that over there too. Is there a link between those two? There should be. Yeah, there's a link because of the match size. Oh, okay, and there's a global transform over there. No, it's not this one. It's this one. Okay, so why do I have two? I think this is just a correction that I must have something templated. Yes, but still. Okay, so it was only the sorry. Let's just do the topic in Affinity. It will be easier. Topic. Oh, actually, there's a setup for the topic here. So what is it? Background topic. Yeah, okay. Let's see, if I want to be able to wrap up in an hour like it is planned, let's do the topic quickly in Affinity. So I need to go. I don't know if Windows will be able to resolve that. Oh yes, nice. So we know that what's the one that's in use? The first one, okay. So we know that this sizing is good, so we don't have to struggle in any way with placement and scale. So I hate this thing about Affinity, the fact that you always have to move to Retina pixels, and to my knowledge at least, it's not possible to have that the default. But today I canceled my Adobe subscription. We'll see how that goes. I kept After Effects for as a monthly subscription. Maybe at some point I'll get rid of that too. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so let's move back to Rive and use a dark gray as the background. So I'm not as used to Affinity than I am Photoshop, but I think it's okay. Background, so okay, let's fill that. We'll do the color with an FX. Let's color overlay and slight gray. Okay. And for my Notion, I have a huge collection of icons, so I know for a fact that I have the Photoshop one and the Houdini one. So hey, let's grab Houdini. Okay, vector. So where are the shapes? No. Surely they have pre-made shapes. Yeah. Arrow. This arrow tool is nice. I like it. Okay, I think we're good. So let's use the green of Rive. So I don't want you to have a stroke. And yeah. And let's say no to Photoshop. Okay, so it's not like in Illustrator. You can choose the number of sides here. So let's do 4. No? Yeah. Set the cutouts. All right. Make it bigger. Yeah, okay. This should be red, sorry. Like maybe slightly calmer red, more cutouts. Yeah, that's good. Okay. And we will save that in here. No, I don't think this is the correct spot. I don't even remember where. Yeah. Source. Not in source. Okay. And let's just save a PNG. Are we? I think we should move. Where's the lock? Okay. We should move a tiny bit. Yeah. Yeah, this is the balance is off. Let's I don't think we need that, but we definitely need to move a tiny bit to the left. Okay. Okay, back to Houdini. Let's import our PNG. Fine. Back to the composition. So, what changes? We're in dark mode, so we won't need the text background. So this can be removed from the merge, but we still need it to control the overall size of the text because it's a match, or maybe we do still need it, simply not something as complicated as the one we have at the moment. So let's put it back there. Let's try to figure out why this is so no. Okay, let's only look at the text. Okay, so this transform looks like it does nothing for us, so let's just remove it. Some text box. Why do we need that? I don't know. I wish to simplify it. Oh, this is the... Okay. My bad. So I've recreated the dynamic text thing of Photoshop in here. So I have this grid that allows me to size the text however I want. So this is why it was a tiny bit too small earlier, and now I can safely move that. Yeah, okay, so it's aligned and everything is well. So now what we need to do is to align those two elements, and we have that. So let's simply move it over there and this over there. Yeah, go away. Go away, you. Okay. Okay, I think this is sufficient for this particular thumbnail. So let's move on to the render. Oops. No, not to the render just yet, but to the background, because dark mode it is, and I think we have a lot of things to modify before it works. So the background, there it is. So we won't use the text nodes, we will use, should we use only Houdini or Houdini and Copernicus? What's the Copernicus logo like already? Okay, so maybe we can. Okay. Okay, let's forget about a Copernicus logo. Let's just bring in the Houdini logo. We'll copy it in the project. Okay, let's bring it in. It's way too big. So let's use 0.4. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. And now we want to be dark, so that means the background should be dark, and the background is there. So let's do invert. So we're in mono, so it should work fine. Except it's not dark enough at all. So it's remap, I think, the curve. Oh, yeah. Let's keep it mono. Okay. We need to be much darker. And even darker than that. Let's move to a B-spline type. And yeah, okay. So how does it look now? this needs to be much darker too. Oops, what did I do? What is this dependency? Okay, I'm not sure. Can convert RGBA to mono from okay, so this is RGBA. I don't see a reason why it should be, so move it. Oh, maybe it needs to, or does it? No. No, it's okay being mono, so let's use a B-spline for that too. Yeah, much darker, please. Okay, so rather like that. Still the white is too white. Okay. So then some color is brought in, but I'm not sure we want that. Oh, it's been 1 hour already. Okay, so let's move on. Yeah, no, color is definitely for light mode. Let's cut that. And okay, let's see. What I like about doing those thumbnails in Houdini is that I can generate a lot of backgrounds and gradients and stuff like that in a much more easy way than it would be in Photoshop. And yeah, this was the reason, as well as wanting to spend more time in Houdini, that led me to this decision, even if it's a bit absurd. But I mean, love is love, right? Okay, so there's a big issue somewhere. Looks like it's this equalize node. So let's just bypass it. See if it's better after. Okay, yeah. Let's completely skip it. If we want a tiny bit of glow, we should probably it was the other way around. Okay, so we have our background. So it's been completely killed, the tiny by the later operation. So let's move it back. So, oops. You go away. Yeah, I don't like you. Go away, fugu fish. Maybe there are nodes that are not necessary no more. Those. The blue I like. This, it's not needed. Blend remap. Okay, so yeah. I think this is where we have a problem. We should add. No? Shouldn't we? Yes, we should. And we can go back. Yeah. Better. Better, better. Should we be darker on the logos? I think we should. Let it be more discreet. Yeah, I like that. All right, let's move up. Okay, let's take a look in Solaris. I should have saved. Okay, so we have a missing light, it seems. This is this red indicates that, so it's probably in there. Yes. Oh. Oh yes, I remember, because I asked Claude to sort my HDRIs, and I mean, maybe if you do 3D, you can relate to that. Folder full of HDRIs that is big and utter mess, and I asked Claude to tidy this, and it did a wonderful job, and also broke a few links, but this I can live with. But yes, we will find it. So let's use what's the name? The OD library. Look for pattern. Yes, I think this is the one. So now what do you have to say, Karma? Oh my god, it's ugly. Still missing a light. The specularity is really ugly. Yeah, it seems like it really doesn't like me doing renders. Am I live or not? I have no clue. Okay, it looks like I'm still live, but okay. False alarm. Light backdrop, light face. What's your problem, light face? Which light are you? Texture, no texture. Huh. So I don't even know who you are. Awesome. Mm, maybe it's not face light. That is the problem. Yeah. It's not face light. Maybe it's you, dome light. You know what? I will do what I learned in my previous project. I will export this USD scene and stop importing it. It makes everything much more unstable. So no, not this kind of rope. This is nice. I'm sorry. I feel like yeah, I feel kind of stupid, but all right. So yeah, okay. I didn't take the correct one. Let's import our USD file. Plug it in. Okay. It looks better already. mean, it doesn't look, but it might just be slightly more. Yeah, keeps disconnecting. Maybe I've been a bit greedy with the. Maybe I've been a bit greedy with the bitrate. I will try to make this. So what are you doing, lights? This at bathroom. Okay, so this lives in there. And let's search for the bathroom. HDRI, yeah. Okay. This should be a tiny bit better. Okay. It's much more. It's really not good. I didn't expect it to be this bad. So what we need to do is remove a lot of the specularities everywhere. Text box. So text box is another kind of worm. Text backdrop. Let's check out the backdrop. So fetch background color, fetch roughness. So I think the roughness is completely not what it should be. Let's take a look at the map. Roughness, it's this one. Yeah. Yeah, this is a mess. Okay, let's kill the specularity. I wasn't expecting that. And it's once again completely slow. I don't get it. Oh, maybe I have something in there. No. Is it the correct material? Oh. If it's not this material, yeah, for sure it won't work. I really am confused. What? Okay, it must be signed. Okay, I'm not sure why. I'm not sure why the material assignation is not working on the USD file, but it seems like this is the problem we had here. So let's rewire that, and also that. No, it's in specular roughness. And bring back specular. Okay, so no, it's still not good. Even like so. So okay, I think I simply blurred the map a lot. Okay, this is much better already. This the topic. No specularity either. None of the lights should cast shadows. Okay. We're getting there. So now let's handle this title. Ah. I think even 0.2 of specularity for the background is too much. So let's change that. Remove it completely. Oh, it was 0.1. And OBS keeps disconnecting. Everything is fine. So this little setup is to get a rounded corner grid. So this we keep, but all of this is no longer required. We'll keep the UVs even if, oh yeah, there's just text buckets and text box back have, so it's text box back that's no longer needed. And this one, okay. So let's take a look at the render. Okay. While we're there, let's, oh no, yeah, okay. Let's fix that quickly. See how great an idea it is? Told you. Houdini for thumbnails. The best. All right. Okay, we're almost there. Let's now change the material for text. Quickly save that. It's text box. All right, so no need for a fancy material. Oh. Specular 0 and base color probably something like that. Well, actually, this green is for Rive. It has nothing to do in there. So this was a mistake, which I'll fix. Yeah, another disconnection. Awesome. Exactly what I needed. These connections. No transmission at all. We're not there to transmit anything. What we want to do is to remove transmission, remove any form of so no specularity, no codes, no transmission, no subsurface scattering. Okay, so this must be the light. Light, face light. Not this one. Probably this one then. Maybe there still is an assignation for the other material. Xbox back. No, it's not doing anything. Text. Okay. I don't understand why it's still so orange. There must be an explanation. Okay, you know what? No, not like that. It's really annoying. Really annoying. I've been working in Houdini plus OBS in the past, and it was not that bad. I don't understand, honestly, but okay, so how did I have some opacity? Ah, I feel stupid. Okay, but at least it's fixed. So okay, it's not great, but it's better. Let's remove all effects on the text. We will have very simple text. That means anyways, those kerns are not needed. Don't want no extrude, no bevel. What if we did it the other way around? Yeah, I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. At least I think it's legible. What did I just do? Yeah, there's really is an issue with the stream. I don't understand. It was working perfectly fine before. Okay, so let's go back in Affinity to fix our thing here. It definitely can do better than that. So this should be white, and this should be Houdini. Yeah, and this should be black. Okay, let's reload. Where is it? Topic. Should be automatic. Okay, let's invert the inversion. I don't understand why there is still this. Maybe it's just a matter of distance between the backdrop and. I think we need less Houdini scatters. No, it's not enough now. Ah, too much. Yes, okay. We're starting to get there. Do we need the text in orange too? This is what I'm wondering right now. Or do we need the scatter stuff in orange? Now it's starting to make sense, right? I don't know. At least I think it does. Yeah, this one should be moved to RGBA. It's a bit too much, but I can't say I dislike it. What's this node? Color correct. Anyways, this is something that we can modify after the render. It should be less painful. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's render this. What a mess. What a mess. Ah, should have. Okay, so a little trick I discovered while doing that is that it's best to render in 4K and then downscale to a lower resolution afterwards. So I render with the 4K take and let's go. Under 3D, 0, GT, okay, it looks fine. Yeah, let's go. For the dark mode, I don't think I need this text